The Institut Pasteur du Laos in Vientiane has 6 freezers that can store the Pfizer Covid-19 vaccine at the required temperature of negative 80 degrees Celsius. The Institute's Deputy Director General, Dr. Dalouny Phonekeo, said the Institute is also prepared to accept more vaccine when it is delivered. The Institut Pasteur du Laos carries out tests for COVID-19 and was the first facility in Laos to test for different strands of the virus.
กอบส่วนทางด้านการรักษาวัคซีนอีกเพราะว่ารัฐบาลลุกเซมเบิร์กมีซอยสถาบันพาสเตอร์ในลาว
The Institute's Deputy Director General, Dr. Dalouny Phonekeo, said the Institute also stores the Pfizer vaccine in freezers provided by the government of Luxembourg.
ปักติดตั้งแล้วแลนแล้วหั่นบ่แนะนำให้มอดแล้วก็ย้ายไปบ่อนอื่นแบบนั้นน่ะ
The Institute's Deputy Director General, Dr. Dalouny Phonekeo, said the Institute also stores the Pfizer vaccine in freezers provided by the government of Luxembourg. According to her, staff working at the facility carry out studies into various diseases and monitor the COVID-19 outbreak, as well as building the capacity of Laos scientists to international standards.
เมื่อก่อนหันเพิ่นให้แล้ว2เครื่องเนาะซึ่งว่าเป่าไว้เนาะมาฮอดเดี๋ยวนี้มีความต้องการหลายเพื่อจะใส่วัคซีนเป็นจำนวนหลายเพิ่นช่วยอีกเติม4เครื่องเนาะ
Dr. Dalouny said the government of Luxembourg initially provided 2 freezers and then another 4. The 6 freezers can store more than 1 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine. The Institute is also prepared to accept more vaccine when it is delivered. There are also 10 freezers that are used as part of research into other pathogens and 3 in each of the laboratories. A backup generator is installed which automatically kicks in if there is a power cut and maintains the supply of electricity to the freezers. Staff check the freezers every morning and evening to see that they are operating normally. Today, more than 1 million people in Laos have had a first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, equaling 14.45% of the population, while 871,043 people have had 2 doses, amounting to 10.5% of the population, according to the National Task Force for COVID-19 Prevention and Control. In Vientiane, 43.5% of the populations have had a first dose, and 31.3% have had 2 doses. In Phuket Province, 39.9% of the population have had a first dose, and 33.3% have had both doses. Provinces recording low vaccination rates include Hua Phan, where only 5.3% of the population have had 1 injection and 3.9% have had 2. While in Champasak, 8% of people have had a first dose and 5.6% have had 2 doses.